Hello, my name is Vansh Sharma, roll number 2310994822, and this video is regarding the demonstration of task 3.2b of SIT331. As you can see on the screen, my code, the code requires to create models, map and robot and its controllers. So first, let us go through the robot commands controller. I will just give you an overview of the HTTP requests in it. First, we have defined it is a controller and given the root, which will be used in the URL. Then we have created the controller class and it is derived from controller base class. Uh, then we have created a static list of robot commands, the four commands left, right, move, and place. Now, then we have created endpoints. First, to get all the robot commands, then to get move commands, which are first three commands, left, right, move. Then to get the robot command by ID. Then to post an robot command. Then to update the existing robot command, and finally deleting the robot command using ID. All the CRUD operations, CRUD, create, retrieve, update, delete, has been implemented in the robot commands controller. Similarly, we have maps controller and the HTTP request endpoints are first we have get all maps, then we have maps which are square, then we have retrieve maps using ID, then we have post map option to add any map. Then we have put method of updating a map using its ID. Then we have delete map, and finally we have a get function to know that these coordinates lie on the map or not. Now let us see the working of the code. .NET run. Sorry. Uh, the program is built, and as you can see on the screen, it is running on HTTP localhost 5258. So we'll go to Postman. Here you can see I have already created a collection of all the requests, endpoint requests. So first we will run them one by one. We will see get all commands. This is of robot controller. We have API host, localhost, and port 5258. Yes, it matches it. When I click on send, then it sends 200 OK request, 200 OK response. This response is taken care by, as you can see in my controller, I have used this iAction result data type, which returns the HTTP request responses like not found, OK, bad requests. So it is working properly, and as you can see on the screen, all the four IDs, name, place, everything is uh, sent by the server. Now, as you can see the structure, ID, name, description is move command. Where does it comes from the model of the robot command. As you can see, I have created a static list of type robot commands, and robot command type is declared here, class is declared here, which has ID, name, then description, then is move command if it is a move command, the first three commands, and then the date, time of created and modified. Okay, and now you can see the created date and modified date, it is current time. Then moving on to the next HTTP request, when I click on send, it sends the move command, ID3 move. You can see on the screen that it retrieves API robot commands move, where the command name is move, which is the third command, this one. As you can see on the screen, we have created a variable move command, uh, where does the value of move command comes from? It comes of command list, and in the list, first or default, this function is used to is a kind of search query, which is used to search from the database that first occurring value. Uh, it returns the first occurring value. So as you can see in the argument in the parameter, we have a cmd, it is a lambda expression, and then you have cmd dot name dot equals move, and this name is this name, which was written here. So yes, moving on to next, then we have get command by id. So second ID command is sent by the server. Then we have post. For post, we have to create a body. As you can see, how do we create a body? We click on raw and JSON, and I am adding this new robot command, which whose name is move two steps, and it has description: move the robot 2 units forward in the direction it is facing, and is move command. Yes, true. Then when I click on send, then it says this 201 created, and it has even id 5, it is auto generated. Now if I again go to get all commands and click on send, then you can see the new output is 1 2 3 4 and 5. The fifth one is we just created. Then we have put. Now it is to update any command. We gave this root parameter here that we want to update the first one by the name jump true and its description. So we click on send and it updates the um, current robot command whose ID is 1. Then we have delete, and we can delete that we want to delete the uh, command which has id 3. So if we click on send, then it says command id 3 deleted successfully. If you want to check the command now, get all the commands and send, you can see on the screen we have id 1, id 2, and not id 3, id 4 and id 5. Moving on to the request of maps, we have get all maps. We got all maps, the three maps, id 1, id 2 and id 3. Then we have all the square maps. The maps are of ID1 and ID3. Column square maps are those who have column and rows equal. Then we have get request by ID API maps to. So it will send us the second ID map, ID2, column this and rows this. Now we want to create a new map. For adding a new map, we have to send some JSON file, which like I have um, this example. Let's take this example of which has column 100 and rows 100 and description this. So if we click on send, then it has responded with 201 created and given on auto generated ID 4. Now if I click on get all maps, I can see 1 2 3 and 4 maps. Then we have get update map. Update map is this maps, and I think I should give a root parameter also here. Uh, Let me first check here from the map controller. Put yes, it takes this ID. So we just created I think three maps, and I want to update the first one. So if I click on send, then it says 200 OK response and ID 1. Oh, sorry. Get update map. Oh, oops. It should be put. Put. Yeah, it should be put. Then if I click on send, then it has updated the value. Initially, you can see on the screen when I used the get function, it was showing columns 5 and rows 5. And now the value is updated. The columns are 20 and rows are 20. ID is 1. Then we have delete map also. Delete map is we want to delete the first one. Send map ID deleted successfully. If we click on get all maps, then you can see no ID1 map is there, ID2, ID3, ID4. We have validate coordinates. Let's see, second, now let me see what are the coordinates of second map. It was 10 by 12 matrix. So if we check 3 comma 8, the x value is 3, x coordinate is 3 and 8 coordinate, it should give true. Send, it gives true because it was a 10 by 12 matrix. If I give coordinates like 3, 13, then it should give me a false. Yes, it has returned in false. So this was the all the endpoints working. Thank you.